night I dreamt I got locked up with old Hank Sr. He still had the smell of whiskey on his breath. He said, son, I heard a lot of things about you. I sure like the way you sing your Memphis blues. I said, Hank, what brings you here in this old prison? Drinking got me behind these prison bars. I always thought I had to live the life I was writing. If I only see the writings on the wall. I woke up, told my wife, baby, I was dreaming. They gonna take and roll old Hank away. I seen George Jones, I seen Paycheck, I seen a vision of David Allen Coe. They gonna take old Hank and roll him down Music Road. Last night I dreamt I got locked up with old Hank Sr. He still had the smell of whiskey on his breath. He said, son, I heard a lot of things about you. I sure like the way you sing your Memphis blues. I sure like the way you sing your Memphis blues. I had to cry and moan the blues. I had to cry and moan them old blues. I got locked up at Hank Sr.